I find it interesting how Great Fall Track is also a walking track.
How do I fucking play? Oh, Jesus. Daddy. Oh shit!
I'm just glad it's just your bike that's speaking, not all of us. We all go down.
Come out of all the corners.
Fucking group of walruses coming in.
Everyone just looks at us like, what the fuck? But seriously, that's how slippery it is. Look, brake on. What the fuck? Do you not have any leg power?
No.
Oh, okay, fair enough then.
Alright, we good?
Oh, yeah, we should change gears, but
Oh, we don't have one up there, aren't we?
no, this is the only one. I was being a dick. There is one up there, but it just
I
converges.
thought we're doing
the hardest one, right? I can't.
I should instead of road.
Huh?
Should really just be over there? I'm confused because it should be on the right.
Yellow,
Yeah.
and then blue. They both join in a second. But literally.
Okay.
Do you go left or right?
Go up there and go down to your tail, but we're not doing that. We're
Yeah.
doing straight.
Or I can't. Do you hear that? Now get in the right gear before you kill yourself. I'm lost. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Here we go. Let's go die. Got him! Fuck Tyler! He stopped in the middle of the track.
No, they dropped. That drop knocked me off.
Seriously, we should be at the top somewhere. Now you go in front.
Oh,
Where are you going?
no, I'm walking.
Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
fuck.
This is why you don't let Hayden lead. All he does is hills. Fuck.
I swear to God, we're gonna have to go 5 and it'll be like jumping shit.
I'm not even gonna have the energy to hit the down slopes. I haven't seen a single sign. Does that go left or right?
Oh, man.
I'm gonna say left. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Understandable, sir.
Holy shit! I did not see that. I thought the track went left. Holy fuck! I just broke my knee. Holy fuck! Oh wait, wait! Ah! So I got.
I don't think you're gonna ride off that, but
I don't know if we were. Was there a track that way?
no, it goes that way.
Okay, we're good. Big hill! Holy shit!
I wonder how far away Hayden can hear that.
Right, big hill! That hill did not work. Do not break in that hill.
That's why I heard it. That's why I hopped off.
Oh, it's getting better. Where's the hill? Whoa!
What are you up to?
And being 29, it rolls up so easy, it's not even funny.
Oh yeah.
You won't even have to touch his bike, mate. Fuck, that looks shit, eh? What?
Quite good, didn't it? You gonna do it?
No, let's just send it! Oh shit. Holy shit. Okay, apparently I have a lot of strength. Mate. Oh my god. Oh, oh! I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Your back brake works fine, mate.
Holy, what did I hit? I cleared it fine and then I hit something.
I might have hit the one on the side.
And I lost my pedals.
Oh,
And then I just rode.
you're too fat.
I'm fucked.
Don't. These roots actually fuck.
I know.
Shut up.
It's like shit. Shit. Oh shit, that's a tree kick. Holy shit. Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Oh. Are you good, Tyler? Oh yeah, oh whoa! Where's it go? Ow! That's a tree. There's a motherfucking tree. Oh, that's not the track. Don't go right, go left. Now where? Head. Oh, what? Oh my gosh! Weren't we here like before? I'm dead already.
You're going downhill.
It's a hold on, mate. You gotta hold on. Stop throwing dust at me. Whoa! Okay, moving's actually quite difficult. Don't pedal. Pump it, boy. Hey! Whoa!
I think you got pedal, buddy.
I haven't pedaled. You're just fucking slow. I'm pumping. What the fucking cheater? Don't pedal! What the? What the? You alright?
I went down there.
You guys, check out the water.
Hey?
Wrong colour now.
What?
I overshot it.
That's what I don't want to do is just smoke.
Yeah, that's fast. Those bumps are brutal.
Oh, that's good, those jumps. That's good.
Oh, okay, he's going. Alright. Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh no!
Oh my god! I was like zooming through.
Oh,
What did you do?
did you not hear it go cooking?
You thud more on the track than I do.
Hey?
I hear more thudding from you than I do.
But,
When you go down hills, thud, 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 thud.
see, it's annoying. It's, I don't know what it is.
You know when Kirk's coming.
I'll back it off 2 more. You want to turn it the way? It's this side.
What do you want to do?
Turn it the way that has a turtle. This side.
What am I turning?
You should see a knob and then it'll be pictures of a turtle and a rabbit. Or is it this side?
I think it's the other side. Yeah.
Oh, that side.
So am I turning towards the turtle?
Towards the turtle, 2. Yep. Fuck.
Yeah, I was going to say.
But yeah, I pedalled up the hill and that, did you hear it go go go?
No, I was paying attention to me going down.
Yeah, my
the hill.
chain was just snapped on it.
Oh wow.
It doesn't pedal anymore. Fucking annoying. Oh, he's right here. Hey. I don't... Oh shit!
Oh my god, my nipples are getting frozen.
Oh shit!
That's the recipe to eat clothesline.
Okay, that looked like a lot of effort. Oh fuck.
Wait till you go over.
I don't think I'll make it, but YOLO. Oh!
Send it.
Woo! I actually could have, that's just a roll down. Get the other tires away. 100% you got it, it's just,
You're right.
but they're different, they're like circular.
Howdy. Let's roll through. That's it.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Smoked it.
Hey guys.
Hey.
My helmet.
What?
What happened?
I don't know.
Went in through the vent.
Oh what?
And it was a bug went through the vent and there was something on my helmet fucking buzzing against my skull.
Look at this cunt stop in the middle of the road.
Should we just go down that one? Yep.
That one says easy.
I'm sure Hayden will.
I don't know which one's easy and which one's not.
Neither do I, because that looks
No, right
harder.
here that says easy, pointing that way.
What way?
That way.
No.
Yeah, it says right there easy, that way.
It does. But I don't know. We'll go this way. 3 crashes means you go better.
Do the other wrist.
Do the left side of the brain. Nothing. Good luck.
Yeah, it looks like AIDS. It looked like AIDS.